What are some apps that you can use to make money? That's what we'll be talking about in this video, so stay tuned to the very end. Now, just before we start, if you're seeing me here for the very first time, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about making money, investing, and personal finance. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on notifications so you can see new videos that I post here. And I post videos here every single day. Now, apart from selling things on eBay or Craigslist, which you probably already know about, what else can you do to make some extra cash on your own free time and for as long or as little as you want? Now, if you want to make some extra cash, then you like the apps I have in this video. So starting out, one of the easiest ways to make extra cash is to use Swagbucks. Now, this one is at number 1 on the list because it really doesn't require you to leave home, and it's probably going to be one of the easiest on the list, but not the one that makes you the most amount of money. So Swagbucks is like a rewards program or rewards app, and it gives you points for shopping at places you would already be shopping at online. Now, this could be Amazon, Macy's, Walmart, Target, Sam's, and just about everywhere. Now, it not only gives rewards for stores, but also for restaurants and gas stations. Whenever you have enough points, you can redeem them for gift cards from any online retailer or at the store. Now, aside from using the app to make purchases and getting Swagbucks, you can also do surveys on Swagbucks, scan your grocery receipts, watch videos, and receive Swagbucks for doing so. Now, Swagbucks is one of the easiest, and so it doesn't pay the most. Now, most users have reported earning at around $90 per month from just watching videos daily. Now, pair that with surveys, shopping online, and getting rewards, and you should make $100 per month, which should add up to over $1,000 this year. So now I know you're thinking, I want to make more money or more than just a mere $1,000 this year. Well, this next app will definitely get you way over $1,000. Field Agent is the next app. So with Field Agent, you are paid to be a secret shopper, an auditor, a product tester, all in one. Now, Field Agent is an app that gives you several types of jobs, right? There's no set amount that you are paid per job, but the jobs will have the amount it pays before you accept, so you can determine if you want to do them or not. Now, Field Agent will make you more money because the app always has several jobs at any time and usually more than one job in any location. Now, if you commit 4 hours to Field Agent every week, you should be making $100 or more, seeing that the average Field Agent job takes less than 10 minutes to complete. If you can commit an entire day to Field Agent or more, then you should be earning upwards of $600 a month by using this app. I did a review of how much I was able to earn on Field Agent when I just started using the app to see what it was like, and I was surprised at how much I made for doing really easy and simple tasks, and I spent maybe 1 to 2 hours a week doing Field Agent. Now, you guys can check that video out after this one, and I'll leave a link to it below in the description. Now guys, I'll also be leaving links down below to these apps in the description, so if you choose to use any of them to make money, using the links down below, you could get free stuff or free cash incentives for doing so. So be sure to use those links if you are interested. Next up, we have Gigwalk. Now, Gigwalk is another app that you can make money with in 2020. Now, Gigwalk is somewhat related or similar to Field Agent in the type of jobs you will find on there. You'll find audits, buy and try jobs, and property inspection jobs, just to name a few. Now again, there is no set pay for any job, but it will all depend on the type of job. I've seen jobs from $4 all the way up to $16 on Gigwalk. Now, Gigwalk is not so popular as Field Agent, and for that reason, there seems to be less jobs available on Gigwalk, but it's still a great app to find some gigs that will earn you extra cash this year. Now, how much you'll earn on Gigwalk depends on a couple things, right? Now, the time you devote to doing the gigs, of course, is one, but then you have to consider the availability of gigs near you. If you have a lot of gigs near you, then you should be able to make as much as you could in Field Agent with Gigwalk. If not, then you can use both apps together to increase your earnings nonetheless. So far, we've talked about Swagbucks, which you can use to make about $100 per month. Then we've talked about Field Agent, which you should be able to earn $400 or more a month. and Gigwalk, where you could earn an additional $400 or more a month. Now, keep in mind that this depends on the amount of jobs in the apps and if you do have the time to complete these jobs. If you can only do 1 gig per day, then don't expect to make anywhere near those figures. Next up on the list is Doordash. Now, Doordash is an app where you're paid to deliver fast food from restaurants to customers. Signing up is quick and easy, right? To become a Dasher, you must own a car and have a driver's license for at least 2 years. Now, the app works by sending you orders that people make at restaurants, and then you will go pick them up or pick up the orders. And if they're prepaid, you pay for them with a DoorDash prepaid card and then deliver it to the customer. Now, after signing up, you'll receive a DoorDash bag and prepaid card in the mail within 2 weeks. The app features a map that uses your GPS to pinpoint the areas that the orders are taking place at and then directs you there. Once you arrive, the app will send you the dashes, as they call it, and you can choose based on the distance you need to travel and the pay if you want to accept or decline the dash and move on. Now, DoorDash is another great way to make extra money this year, especially if you already have a full-time job, as the app has the most traffic after hours when people are getting home from work and ordering food delivery. Now, DoorDash says you can make up to $25 an hour, but that is if you live in a high traffic city. Now, most people report earning anywhere from $10 to $15 per hour, and in addition to that, you're likely to get tips while being a Dasher for DoorDash. So we can realistically say that you should be earning around $50 an hour, or $15 an hour rather, from DoorDash. Next on the list is Shipt. Now, this is Shipt with a T. The app is similar to DoorDash, where you'll go out and pick up items for customers and deliver them. Now, usually on Shipt, it's going to be grocery deliveries. Shipt orders will take you a bit more time to complete, as you now have to go to the grocery store and pick up the items first before making the delivery. Now, the average order pickup and delivery time for a Shipt order is 1 hour. Now, luckily though, the average pay per order is around $22, and so that gets us right to $22 an hour right here. Now, this app may have more orders to complete on weekends, and so if you are currently working a full-time job and you have weekends off and you're looking to make some extra cash, then this could very well help you out. And the best part is that you can do one or multiple orders whenever you choose, right? Now, after completing 30 orders or delivery with Shipt, they'll send you a cool t-shirt for free too. Next on the list is Ebates. Ebates, as you may probably already know, is a browser extension that you can use on your computer to get discounts and points from purchases online. Now, Ebates also has an app. The app allows you to use in-store coupons, scan and compare the prices of items, and of course earn points or cash back from your purchases. Now, all you'll need to do is download the app and use it to shop. Now, Ebates currently has over 2,500 retailers that you could get cash back from. Now, usually the cash back is 2 or 1%, but there are times when you'll get as much as 10% in cash back. Now, with the app, you also get in-store coupons to use. Now, not only does Ebates give you coupons, but it will also compare all the coupons available and match you with the one that gives you the best value. Now, the app automatically pays you every 90 days once you've earned a minimum of $5. Now, since Ebates came about in 1999, it has paid out over $1 billion in cash back to its users. So think about that. Now, next up on the list, we have Uber, right? Now, if you don't already know about Uber, then you may be living under a rock. So Uber is a rideshare platform where you can take people around wherever they need to go, right? Pick them up and drop them off and you get paid. Now, to get on Uber, you have to have a driver's license for at least 2 years, be 21 years or older, and you also need to have a car that's 12 years old or younger. Your car also cannot have a salvage or rebuilt title. Now, to get on Uber, download the app and complete the sign-up process. In terms of how much money you can make, Uber has said that drivers can make about $25 an hour with 1.3 trips per hour. Now, right off the bat, that may sound good, but just remember that this is a gig where you'll spend a lot on your car, gas, tolls, car washes, cleaning, detailing, insurance, repairs, maintenance, and the list goes on and on and on. So initially, you'll have to spend a good deal of the earnings on your ride. Now, the good thing though is that you'll be able to make some considerable deductions from your taxes based on all you've spent on your car during the year for Uber. And for that, it's also another great way to make some extra money in 2020 or even as a full-time gig. Now, next on the list is Ubereats. So Ubereats is, as the name suggests, taking food around. Now, Ubereats would be similar to the previously mentioned app Doordash. So people using the app will order groceries or food, and you will receive the orders from Ubereats and then pick them up and then do the delivery. So as for using Ubereats, you have to be 19 years or older, have a driver's license for at least 1 year, valid insurance for your car, and the car can be as old as a 1998 year. Now, a background check is also required before you're approved also. So the earnings here are broken down into 3 parts. You get paid for picking the order, delivering the order, and also you get paid for the miles you travel. Now, usually this works out to be between $6 and $7, and the earnings rate differs by cities, so there is no way to pinpoint any set amount that you can earn per delivery. Now, after expenses, the average earned from Ubereats works out to be about $12 an hour. Another great thing here though is that you can be tipped either in the app or by cash, and tips are always 100% yours. Now, next up we have Google Opinion Rewards. Now, this one is for all you viewers who are strongly opinionated, right? Google Opinion Rewards is a must-have if you want to get paid for voicing your opinions. You'll download the app and you'll be given short surveys on anything ranging from TV shows to banks and hotels, and you can complete these anywhere you are. The short surveys are usually just one simple question. They will also send your earnings to your PayPal account. Now, the pay for giving your opinion on something here ranges anywhere from 10 cents to about $1. The next app is for anyone who wants to do nothing really and get paid at the same time. This app is Slidejoy, and they pay you for the advertisement space on your phone screen. So the average person unlocks their phone over 80 times a day. So this app puts ads on your lock screen. Swipe left to get more info on the ads, or swipe right to access your home screen. Now, every time you swipe, which will be every time you unlock your phone, you will earn what the app calls carrots, and carrots will be credited to your account the following day. Now, 1,000 carrots is equal to $1. So you should make $1 every 15 days by nothing really and just using your phone like you would anyway. This is the easiest on the list by far. You can also donate your earnings to charity or redeem them for gift cards. So definitely give this one a try if you have an Android smartphone. Now, next up on the list, we have Instacart. Now, Instacart is a delivery service that allows you to pick up groceries and deliver them and then get paid for doing it. Instacart is available in the US and in Canada as well. Now, Instacart is a little different from the other delivery apps, as there are 2 paths that you can take with it when trying to make money. You can be a full service shopper, or you could be an in-store shopper. Now, the full service shopper will shop for the orders and then deliver the orders to the customer. For this, you will definitely need a car. But if you don't have a car, then that doesn't stop you from earning from Instacart, as you can become an in-store shopper. Now, the in-store shopper just needs to be at least 18 years old, and all you'll do is select the items in the customer's order and then stage them for the delivery driver. So mobility is no longer an issue as it was before. Now, with Instacart, you can expect to make anywhere from $7 an hour if you are an in-store shopper, up to $20 an hour if you're a full-service shopper. Now, the average reported wage here was $11 per hour. Now, next on the list, we have Lyft. Now, Lyft is another rideshare platform such as Uber, where you can pick people up and take them wherever they want to go and get paid for taking them. Now, Lyft drivers have time and time again said that they make around $17 an hour, which is more than Uber. Now, if you're doing this full time, which you can absolutely do, you can expect to earn $700+ a week if you do 45 hours or more. If you're just looking for a gig to get some extra cash to pay down debt, invest, or for whatever reason, $17 an hour isn't too bad as a side gig either. Now, if you don't have a car, you can also get a rental to do Lyft. Lyft actually has a service called Lyft Express Drive just for this purpose. So if you have no money and no car, you can get all you need to start earning with Lyft right now. Next up, we have Postmates. Postmates is an app that allows you to pick up and deliver food and groceries for the most part and get paid for doing so. So Postmates may not pay you as much as the other apps, but it's still another good option to consider when trying to make some extra money. Now, the app will scan your location and point you to areas that there are available orders to complete. You'll receive a prepaid debit card so you can make purchases for the orders you will receive as well. Now, Postmates says that you can earn up to $25 an hour, but based on feedback from users, it seemed that the average was around $4 per order plus tips, and you may or may not be able to do that many in an hour depending on the distance you may have to travel. So there you have it, guys. Apps you can use to make money this year. I hope you guys really liked the information in this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the notification icon so you can see new videos that I post, and I post videos here every single day on YouTube. Now, if you've made it to the end of this video, comment your thoughts down below and any questions you may have, and be sure to drop a like on this video as it really helps with the channel and I'll really appreciate it. Now guys, as always, be sure to check out the links down below in the description, as I have left links that can get you free stuff, cash back, cash bonuses, free stocks, and much more. So check them out, links down below in the description. And with that said, finally, I have to also mention that the days of putting your money in bank accounts where you get 0% in interest, right? Then you pay account maintenance fees, then you pay ATM fees, then you pay many other fees. So if your bank is still charging you fees and you're not getting interest on your money, let's change that right now. I've left a link to SOFI Money, and SOFI Money gives you a hybrid account where you pay no account maintenance fees, there's no minimum balance required, you don't pay any ATM fees, and whatever you do, they're immediately reversed and you get some sweet, sweet, sweet interest on your money, right? Now, with the link down below, you also get $75 for free just for signing up using that link. So that's more free money for you guys right there. So be sure to check out SOFI Money, link down below in the description. Now, if you're new here, if you're a new subscriber or a viewer here on the channel, be sure to check out some of my other videos on high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and of course, more ways to make money. Once again, guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. All the best with making money, and until tomorrow, take care.